Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your network with Fortinet easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fortinet device using your administrator credentials. Navigate to the dashboard to get an overview of your network security status. Locate the Policy and Objects tab on the left-hand menu. Click on IPv4 policy to set up your network policies. Select Create New to start configuring a new firewall policy. Input a relevant name for the policy to easily identify its purpose. Specify the incoming and outgoing interfaces for the traffic flow. Choose the source and destination addresses according to your requirements. Select the appropriate service type to define the type of traffic allowed through the firewall. Set the action to accept to permit the selected traffic. Under the Schedule section, choose a schedule that determines when this policy will apply. Adjust the log settings to monitor the traffic that matches this policy. Click OK to save your newly created firewall policy. Next, navigate to the Security Fabric section to enhance your network security. Select Fabric Connectors to integrate additional security features. Enabling the FortiGuard services will provide real-time threat intelligence. Go back to the dashboard and click on Security Profiles. Choose Antivirus and configure the settings to scan for malicious files. Enable Web Filter to block access to harmful websites. Adjust the application control settings to filter unwanted applications from your network. Apply these security profiles to the firewall policy you created earlier. Next, set up a VPN to secure remote access to your network. Navigate to the VPN section in the menu. Select IPsec Wizard to help guide you through the VPN setup. Follow the prompts to configure remote access settings, including authentication methods. Complete the VPN setup and ensure it is enabled in the VPN settings. Regularly update your Fortinet device's firmware for optimum security. Schedule periodic security audits to evaluate your network's security posture. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.